deep in some of the most dangerous forests on Earth. Massive machines take on roads that shouldn't even exist. No guardrails, no second chances, just power, precision, and pure courage. Today, we are counting down 10 of the most dangerous and powerful logging trucks ever built. Logging trucks are built for one purpose: to move huge loads of timber through extreme terrain. From muddy hills to narrow cliff roads, these machines must survive conditions that would destroy ordinary vehicles. And behind every truck is a driver risking everything. Number 10. Starting our list is a heavy-duty logging truck designed for rough terrain. With large off-road tires and a reinforced frame, this machine can handle deep mud and uneven ground with ease. But even with its strength, the road ahead is never guaranteed. Number 9. This truck is built for steep climbs, powered by a strong engine that delivers incredible torque. It can carry massive logs uphill, but the real challenge is maintaining control on slippery surfaces. Number 8. Here we see a machine designed for balance and stability. With carefully engineered suspension, it keeps heavy loads steady, even on narrow and dangerous paths. But one wrong move, and everything can shift in seconds. Number 7. This logging truck is known for its durability. Built to withstand harsh environments, it operates in extreme weather conditions, from heavy rain to deep snow. Still, nature always has the upper hand. Number 6. Equipped with powerful traction systems, this truck is designed to move through thick mud. Its wheels dig deep into the ground, fighting for grip as it pushes forward. But sometimes, even the strongest machines get stuck. Number 5. Speed is not the priority here. Control is everything. This truck moves slowly but steadily, carefully navigating tight turns and steep drops. Because on these roads, precision means survival. Number 4. One of the most powerful trucks on our list, capable of hauling enormous loads across challenging terrain. Its engine delivers raw strength, but handling that power requires serious skill. Number 3. This machine operates in some of the most dangerous locations, where roads are barely visible. Drivers must rely on experience to guide their trucks through uncertainty. One mistake can be catastrophic. Number 2. Combining power and precision. This truck represents the peak of logging technology. It can handle extreme loads while maintaining control on unstable ground. But even at this level, the risks remain. And finally, number 1. The ultimate logging truck, built for the toughest conditions on Earth. This machine can conquer steep mountains, deep mud, and unpredictable terrain. It represents the perfect balance of power, control, and resilience. But even the best must respect the road. These trucks are more than machines. They are lifelines in some of the harshest environments on the planet. And behind every journey is a driver pushing the limits every single day. So the question is, would you take the wheel?